Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are Softtrix, a digital marketing agency serving clients across the globe for the last 15 years. Today we are bringing you another exciting case study where we have helped a well-established business in the baby and children's retail industry significantly improve their Google ad performance. If you are running a Google AdWords campaign but just not seeing the results you want, or if you feel like your budget is not being used effectively, then this case study is specifically for you. Our client, an online retailer specializing in premium baby and children products, approached us looking for a way to increase sales and maximize their return on ad spend. They had been running the Google AdWords campaign but were not satisfied with the previous agency's approach. The campaigns lacked structure, had inefficient budget allocation, and were not optimized for the profitability. Despite having a wide range of high quality products including the baby clothing, strollers, car seats and toys, and the nursery essential, these existing strategy was failing to bring in the consistent profitable returns. Their main goal was to scale their sales while maintaining a strong ROAS. When we have first analyzed their account, we have noticed several issues that were limiting the performance. The account had a mix of poorly structured shopping and the PMAX campaign with overlapping product targeting, leading to wasted spend. There was just no proper segmentation of the products based on demand, pricing, and the customer interest. Additionally, the conversion tracking setup was not properly optimized, which meant that the important data on sales and the conversion behavior was not being utilized effectively. Without clear tracking and a well-structured campaign strategy, the client was missing out on a valuable opportunity to actually scale their business. To turn things around, we have structured the entire account, starting with the full audit of their existing campaigns. We have built the dedicated Performance Max campaign with the properly segmented products groups to ensure that the high margin and the best selling items received more visibility while minimizing the ad spend on the underperforming products. Our team also created custom audience signals to enhance targeting, focusing on users actively searching for similar products. Additionally, we have revamped their creative assets by providing fresh, engaging banners and videos that aligned with the brand's aesthetic, ensuring their ads stood out in a competitive market. To further boost the performance, we have implemented a well-structured shopping campaign strategy. Instead of grouping all the products into a single campaign, we have categorized them based on the pricing, demand, and the seasonal trends. This allowed us to push high converting products at the right time while maintaining the efficiency across the entire product catalog. We have also optimized the bidding strategies by implementing the automated bidding for high performing categories and manual adjustments for the new product launches. Another key element of our strategy was enhancing their retargeting efforts. There were many users who were visiting the site but not completing the purchases, so we have launched the remarketing campaign that reminded potential customers about the products that they have viewed. By using a mix of display and the video ads, we have re-engaged users who had shown interest, increasing the likelihood of the conversions. We have also optimized the location targeting by focusing more on the regions that historically generated higher sales while actually reducing the spend in the areas with the low conversion rates. As a result of these optimizations, the business experienced a dramatic transformation in its Google Ads performance. Within the first month of implementing our strategy, total sales skyrocketed, generating over 52,000 in terms of revenue while maintaining a ROAS of almost 17.8. The structured segmentation of the campaigns helped to improve the ad efficiency, ensuring that every pound spent was driving meaningful returns. Visibility and engagement significantly increased, with more users discovering the brand and interacting with their products. Additionally, the improved tracking setup provided the client with clear data-driven insights, allowing for more informed decision making. We continue to monitor and optimize the performance with weekly and the monthly report that provide in-depth analysis of the spent revenue and the profitability. By continuously refining the targeting, bidding strategies, and the creative, we have ensured that the campaign remain highly effective and scalable. Our approach proves that even when established businesses can achieve exponential growth with the right Google AdWords strategy in place. If you are looking to maximize your advertising potential and get the best possible return on your ad spend, reach out for a free audit. Drop your questions in the comment and let's discuss on how we can take your business to the next level. So if you have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can still look at your Google AdWords account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, you can contact us for the proposal. You can just share with us some basic information on WhatsApp. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can look at your campaigns and then we can do the research and then we can let you know what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more valuable case studies and insights. Thank you for watching the video.